welcome to E on the B. Can we talk seriously? So, HIT is powered by Wave 6 Chrysler of Culpeper, where the Say Hello to Summer event is on. Feel the freedom of owning any new Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, or Ram. Check them out online, ChryslerofCulpeper.com, where the chic happens, baby. Let's start off with Lady Gaga. Smells like Lady Gaga. Gross. Anyway, the Ga is about to launch her new fragrance. Yes, I called her the Ga. We're friends like that. Anyway, it's called Fame. I know, we're like this close. And apparently it has pulverized apricots in it. Of course, Gaga had to use the word pulverized. You could just say like crushed or anything like that. No. Madonna can't stop undressing. What's wrong with her? So she had a slip the other day and a moon. She mooned the crowd, G-string and all. Crazy lady. And apparently she's reading 50 Shades of Grey. And word is House Hunters on HGTV, have you seen this, is fake. I don't care, because it's still a great show. Get all your entertainment news, B1015.com, keyword E. Mwah!